Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech with Sarah. So we'll just revise what we have done in our last session in 5 minutes, and then we'll move ahead on to the next topic for today's session. So what we have done yesterday is we have understood what is the TCP dump, what is the use of the TCP dump, why it is used, and how can we get benefit out of it. Then we have also seen how to get the list of interfaces with the help of a flag called as -d. Then we have also seen how to get a TCP dump for a specific interface with the help of flag I. Then what we have seen is we have seen another flag known as -n or -nn, which we can use to disable the names, because generally the TCP dump capture packets with IP and the port names by default. So apart from that, what we have seen is how to capture the packets from a specific host. So for that, what we have used is host and the IP address of the host. Okay, but usually this TCP dump command, whenever we execute the TCP dump command, it generates the flood of packets. But if I want to see, let's say, 5 packets or 10 packets, or I want to limit the number of packets, how can I limit that? So for that, we have used the flag -c and the number of uh, the packets I want to restrict myself to. And after that, what we have seen is how to enable the verbose mode. So what is that verbose mode? Is we get the detailed information about the flow of the packets. Let's say it has, the type of service, the TTL, the uh, ID of the packet, the sequence number, the length of the packet, and whatnot. So for that, we have used this -v flag. And another, the most important part, what we have seen yesterday is we try to, decode the packet, the IP packet. For that, we have used another flag called as -x. So this is the -x flag, and -s to get the capture the packets in bytes. So we have used 0 to get all the bytes, right? And what we are going to see today in our, like, the fourth session is how to write the TCP dump output to a particular file. So this can be used later to read or analyze or whatever you want to work upon. And then you will see how to read the TCP dump output, which we have stored with the help of the pcap file. Okay, so let's execute these commands one by one so that we can understand how to do it. Okay, so for that, so let's use first this command, which is nothing but sudo tcp dump -i for specific interface, that is enp0s3 -x to get the TCP dump in the hex and ASCII format, -s for getting the packet in bytes. So what I want is all bytes, right? So I have mentioned 0. The host from which the dump will get generated. -v is to get the information in the detail format, that is a verbose. -c is for the count of the packets I want myself to restrict. And -w is very important to write the packet into this particular specific pcap file. Okay, so let's execute this command. So we will see the 5 packets will get captured. You can see 5 packets have been captured. So similarly, we can read this command, read this output of the pcap with the help of command known as with the help of this flag -r. Instead of -w, we have to mention -r, and we will be in a position to read this pcap output or tcp dump output. Yes, so you can see here reading from the file capture tcpdump.pcap, right? And as we have seen yesterday, this is the timestamp of the tcp dump, the protocol, the type of the service, the time to live, like that is up to how many hops the packet will travel, the, the packet ID, the offset information, the flag, then the protocol information, the length of the packet, right? So this is the source IP, destination IP, the protocol, the type of the request, the ID, the sequence number, and this is the actual IP packet, right? I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Tech with Sarah, and do share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead, and we will meet up soon enough with our next session. Till then, bye bye. Take care.